Dear learners of class 7, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. My name is Sami Malek, Senior English Teacher of Babasro Azali High School. Welcome to my online class. Today I am going to talk about some important rules of using capital letters. Dear learners, two types of letters are used in English language. One is small letter, another is capital letter. If you do not know the rules of using capital letters, you will not be able to write anything correctly. Besides, you will not get expected marks in this question. So, you have to learn this rule very well. Let's start our main lesson. Dear learners, rule 1. Notice the example. They play football. This is a sentence. In this sentence, they is the first word. In this sentence, they is the first word. In this first word, the first letter T has been capitalized. In this first word, first letter T has been capitalized. It is important for you to know that whenever you will start to write a sentence, you will capitalize the first letter of that sentence. I repeat it. Whenever you will start to write a sentence, you will capitalize the first letter of that sentence. Rule 2. My father's name is Mubarak. Dear learners, what can you see in this sentence? In this sentence, Mubarak is a noun and it is a proper noun. In this word, first letter M has been capitalized because it is a proper noun. The rule is whenever you will write the name of a person, place, you will capitalize the first letter. Whenever you will write the name of a person, place, you will capitalize the first letter. Dear learners, what do you mean by capitalize? Capitalize means to write a letter or word in capital letter. Capitalize means to write a letter or word in a capital letter. Rule 3. Notice the example. I speak English. What can you see in this sentence? In this sentence, first letter E of the word English has been capitalized because English is the name of a language. So, whenever you will write the names of all languages, their first letter will be capitalized. I repeat it. Whenever you will write the names of all languages, their first letter will be capitalized. Rule 4. Notice the example. He went to Dhaka on Monday last. In this sentence, the first letter M of Monday has been capitalized. Can you guess what the rule is here? The rule is whenever you will write the names of days, months, their first letter will be capitalized. Whenever you will write the names of days, months, their first letter will be capitalized. In this sentence, Monday is the name of a day. For this reason, the first letter M of Monday has been capitalized. Next, rule 5. Notice the example. John loves Christmas. In this sentence, first letter C of Christmas has been capitalized. Christmas is a very important and interesting festival all around the world. Especially, it is very important for Christian. So, whenever you will write the special days, festivals, their first letter will be capitalized. I repeat it. Whenever you will write special days, festivals, their first letter will be capitalized. In this sentence, for this reason, the first letter C has been capitalized. Rule 6. Dear learners, notice the example. I have read Hamlet. In this sentence, Hamlet is the name of a book. For this reason, the first letter S of Hamlet I have capitalized. The rule is whenever you will write the name of a book, first letter will be capitalized. A capital letter is used to write the name of a book. So, I have capitalized the first letter S of Hamlet. Next, rule 7. Polash is an Indian boy. Dear learners, what can you see in this sentence? In this sentence, the word Indian is proper adjective. Whenever you will write proper adjective, you will capitalize the first letter. Capital letter is used to write proper adjective. So, I have capitalized the first letter I of Indian. Rule 8. Dear learners, notice the example. Karim and I are best friends. In this sentence, the word I has been capitalized. The rule is, whenever you will write I as a single word, it will be capitalized. I repeat it, whenever you will write I is a single word in the sentence, it will be capitalized. Rule 9. They read in Bobetchor Wazirali High School. Dear learners, notice the sentence. In this sentence, the first letter of each word of Bobetchor Wazirali High School has been capitalized, because Bobetchor Wazirali High School is the name of an institution, educational institution. Capital letters are used to begin the names of educational institution. Capital letters are used to begin the names of educational institution, club, team, etc. Rule 10. Helal reads the Ittefaq every day. In this sentence, first letter I of Ittefaq has been capitalized, because Ittefaq is the name of a daily newspaper. Capital letters are used to begin the names of daily newspapers, magazines, etc. Rule 11. Notice the words. Notice the abbreviations. BA, MA, BSc, USA, UK, etc. are the abbreviations of the names of the countries, academic degrees, etc. I repeat, these abbreviations are the abbreviations of the names of the countries, educational degrees, etc. You should remember that capital letters are used to write the abbreviations of the names of the countries, educational degrees, official ranks, etc. Dear learners, I hope if you practice these rules at your home again and again, you will be able to get expected marks in this question. That's all for today.